Nature is made possible in part by the Arnhold family in memory of Clarice Arnhold, Sue and Edgar Wackenheim III, the Kate W. Cassidy Foundation, the Lillian Goldman Charitable Trust, the Philemon N. D'Agostino Foundation, Sandra Atlas Bass, Rosalind P. Walter, Joan Nelson Eisen, by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you. This program is available on DVD. To order, visit shoppbs.org or call 1-800-PLAY-PBS. To learn more about what you've seen on this nature program, visit pbs.org.
Alright, I'm sorry. Now, here's a chair. Sit. I'm sorry.
Be more.